Welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Facebook account using your Facebook mobile application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Facebook application on your mobile device. If you've not done so already, go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for Facebook, and make sure to download this application from Meta Platforms Inc. Once you have the application downloaded, launch it open. Soon after you open your application, you will come across these login text boxes. To log into your account, you will need to enter your existing mobile number or email address associated with Facebook. You'll also need to enter your password correct for your Facebook account in the password text box. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create a new one by tapping on the Create New Account button at the bottom and following the instructions well. Let's start off by logging into one of our existing accounts. In the first text box, type in the mobile phone number or the email address associated with your Facebook account. On the next field, you will need to type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link beneath the Login button. If you remember your password, you can type it in correct in the password field. Soon after you are done, click on Login and you will be able to log into your Facebook account right away. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.